Hello everyone and welcome back to Journey to Med. My name is Hazal and I'm a third year medical student studying in London. In today's video, I'll be telling you how to use Medify to write a banging personal statement. Thank you very much to Medify for sponsoring this video, and of course before we get started, make sure you go down below and smash that like button. Let's get started. If you don't know what Medify is, it is an amazing website that has everything you need to be able to apply to medical school, from UCAT and BMAT resources to a personal statements writer, which we'll be talking about today. So we all know the personal statement is an important part of the medical application process and we all want to write the best one possible. But as soon as we start writing, we realize it's not that simple. This is where the Medify personal statement writer comes in handy. It has everything you need, from advice and examples, video tutorials, tips and tricks, and even an online writing space where you can structure and write your personal statement in a very easy way. Let's take a deeper look. So as you can see, along the left hand side there are 6 different topics, including why medicine, work experience, voluntary work, extracurricular activities, academic activities, and conclusion. These are the 6 different topics that you can mention in your personal statement. Now, if you press why medicine, on the right hand side you will see the advice for this section, including a video tutorial. This covers what you should mention in this section and some ideas on what you can say. It also explains what makes a good reflection, which is really important in your personal statement. As if this wasn't enough, there are not 1, not 2, but 6 different examples of why medicine paragraphs that you can read to better understand how to write your own paragraph. You can use this area in the center to write your paragraph whilst going through all the advice and examples. You guys don't understand how useful this is. The advice and video tutorials help you understand exactly what is expected from you and how you can achieve that. The advice touches on topics such as structure, reflections, transferable skills, and many other important things that you might not be sure about. And then the examples provided are the icing on top of the cake. They show you how to put the advice into action and can inspire you when writing your own personal statement. The same advice and examples are available for the 6 different topics that you'll be writing about. With your work experience, voluntary work, extracurricular activities, and academic activities, there is another tab available where you can write about each of these different experiences. With each experience, you can give it a title, location, duration, and summary so that you can remember all the different things you have done and choose which ones to add to your personal statement. Again, this is really useful as it allows you to have everything in one place so that you can remember to talk about your different activities and experiences without forgetting any of the important information. Once you have written about all the different topics, you can then go to the draft section and put together your very first draft. This section allows you to add your reflections from the previous sections to your draft, and of course there is also an advice video you can watch. There is also a UCAS preview tab which shows you your character count as well as your line count to ensure you don't go over the limit. You can create up to 5 different drafts which you can save and print to show to your teacher or friends to get some more advice. The Medify personal statement writer is a perfect website that has everything you need to write your personal statement. If you are interested in the Medify personal statement writer, make sure to check it out using the link in the description box down below. But yeah, that is about it for today's video. I really do hope you found this video useful. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in a new video next time. Bye!